Hi, I'm Guy Cook. I asked the Jasper Artificial Intelligence about well-structured and unique content, how important that is. And it came back with a list of features, and I'll go through them real quick. You want to captivate your audience. You want to provide value, to find out what people are looking for and then provide that. Increasing search engine visibility. Do you know how to get better results on your search engine result pages? Maybe you need to tweak something a little bit, and there's ways to do that. You want to have in-depth coverage, engaging and shareable, and build trust and credibility. I'm going to have an episode real soon on writing recommendations for LinkedIn, something I've been meaning to do and not done it. Take a look at the Google document that's attached to this file. There's a reference from Forbes, from Search Engine Journal, and from the Neil Patel blog. I hope that's going to work for you. Good luck on getting the content to be better than it is yesterday. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.